Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can search for downloaded files on Telegram PC. So let's jump right into it. First, you need to head over to these three lines from the top left side of your screen. You can see in here, click on that, and then you're going to be heading over to settings. You need to search for advanced. So you can see we have advanced in here, click on that, and now you can see we have this option of download. So you can find your downloaded items in here, or if you want to manage your local storage where your downloaded files will be located, you can simply click on this manage local storage or download path. So I'm going to be clicking on download path, and I can select to choose where I want to download all my files. So that's a pretty simple process, and I hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.